Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the Witch's Cookery. Today we are stepping into the magic of November, a month often overlooked, nestled between the golden glory of October and the sparkling festivities of December. But November has its own unique mystical charm. It's a time of mist, darkness and cold. A calm before the cheery chaos of holiday lights and merriment. It's a month that whispers of introspection, rest and renewal if we're willing to lean in and listen. In today's video, I'm sharing my favorite ways to witch through November, embracing its quiet energies and finding little moments of magic in this transitional season. First on the list, dedicating cozy evenings at home to learning something new. There's something about November's darkness that invites you to light a candle, snuggle up with a warm drink and dive deep into a topic that sparks your curiosity. For me, that's lately been runes. Runes were one of the first tools I worked with when I started my witchcraft journey, but as the years passed, I drifted towards oracle cards and kind of left runes behind. But this month I felt really drawn to rediscover their magic. To make this practice even more delightful, I decided to bake rune cookies. These are the perfect mix of fall coziness and warming winter spices. An edible spell for the season, and you will find a recipe down below in the description box. As I was drawing the runes on each cookie, I took a moment to reflect on its meaning. You can add your own touch of magic by using these cookies as edible oracles. Each afternoon draw one with your tea to gain insight for the day, or in the morning with your coffee. Choose one intentionally to embody the energy you want to invite. It's simple, delicious, and a perfect way to infuse your day with mindful magic. Next is leaning into stillness, embracing the darkness within and without. November invites us to pause, to less, and to simply be. Instead of scrolling endlessly or binging Netflix, I like to sit in the quiet. It's just me, maybe a single candle, and the stillness of the season. Meditation is one of my favorite ways to honor this calm energy. I also love taking evening walks through the foggy streets, and there's something so enchanting about the way the mist cloaks the world, softening sounds and sharpening your senses. And that cool night air with the scent of the wood-burning fireplaces all over the village is just amazing. During these walks, I often listen to soundscapes or guided meditations, and my favorite tool for this is the Aura app, which I've been using for years. Aura is so much more than a meditation app. It's like having a personal coach and self-care companion rolled into one. It tailors its offering to your preferences, whether that's spirituality, gentle parenting, building stronger relationships, or simply finding more happiness and calm. For those of you who want to give it a try, I have something special. The first 500 of you to click the link below will get a free trial and 25% off. If you've been craving more mindfulness and magic in your life, Aura is an amazing way to support yourself during this introspective season. Plus, I've also shared my favorite playlist for this particular time of year with you. Of course, November's energy also lives in a natural world. The falling leaves, the earthy scent of decay, and the cool air remind us of nature's cycle of death and rebirth. Everything returns to the ground, becoming fertile fuel for the new growth of spring. Here's a simple ritual you can do with those fallen leaves that now blanket the earth. Gather a few leaves that catch your eye, ones that feel significant to you. On each leaf, write something you're ready to let go of. Something that has been blocking your growth. That might be a fear, a habit, or an emotional weight. Once you've written your releases, find a spot in the soil, place down your leaves, imagining them slowly breaking down, disappearing, decaying, transforming into the rich, fertile earth that now will nurture new beginnings in the month after the winter. It's a powerful reminder that even in letting go, there's creation and growth. With everything you cut out of your life, you are making space for something new. And finally, November is the perfect time for shadow work. As the darkness grows around us, it's an invitation to explore the shadows within, the parts of ourselves we often avoid or ignore. And shadow work is about gently uncovering these hidden aspects, understanding them, and then integrating them in our whole self. It's the parts that we feel shameful about, that we don't like to look at, and that we push away. And that is why shadow work is so important, because only by facing those hard things and hard truths about ourselves, while being gentle and understanding towards ourselves, can we really grow, learn, and free parts of our authentic self and mind. To give you a little start to shadow work, I would now like to invite you to make yourself a really nice, comforting beverage. Sit down in your favorite spot, take pen to paper, and without holding back, answer these 3 shadow work prompts to guide you through your November reflection. First, what aspect of myself am I afraid to face and why? Second, how does the growing darkness of the season mirror my inner world? And 3, what patterns or beliefs am I ready to release, and what might emerge in their place? Take your time with these. Shadow work isn't easy, but it's one of the most rewarding practices for self-growth and transformation. If you're curious about working more deeply with seasonal energies, aligning yourself with nature's rhythm, and living in harmony with the wheel of the year, I'd love for you to join me in the Witch's Wheel 2025. This year-long witchcraft experience combines personal growth with the magic of the seasons, connecting you to witches worldwide in an interactive, supportive community. And together we'll explore rituals, shadow works, the cycles of nature, creating a year filled with true transformation, connection, and magic. You'll find all the details linked below. Thank you so much for joining me today, lovelies. May your November be filled with cozy moments, deep reflections, and a little everyday magic. Until next time.